Friends, today I will let you know what is the difference between bond and debentures. Many students ask me, sir, there must be some difference. Yes, friends, there are few differences. Before knowing the difference, let us know what is the similarities between bond and debenture. So, bond and debentures both are a type of long-term loan. They both pays interest. They both will repay you the principal amount on maturity. They both are a type of loan. If you invest in a bond or if you invest in a debenture, it means you are giving some other company, some other person, some other party loan. You are giving loan, so in return you will get interest, and after 5 year, 10 year, whatever is the duration, you will get back your principal amount. Simple concept. For the one who is taking this amount, for the one who is using your money, they will treat this money as a liability. They will show this money in their balance sheet liability side. For them, both are external creditors. Fine, sir. So these were the similarities. Again I repeat, when I invest in a bond or if I invest in a debenture, I will get interest amount every year or every half year as the case may be, and I will be repaid principal amount on maturity. This was the similarity. Now let's know the difference. So difference is very simple. First difference is this: bonds are usually secured by a collateral. In Hindi, collateral is known as गिरवी, गिरवी रखना. Bonds are usually secured by a collateral, means the assets are given as a collateral when we are taking loan as bonds. But debentures can be secured and unsecured. Means there cannot be any security against debenture, or there can be security. But with bonds, there will be a security, there will be an asset backed by that bond. Debentures are issued and purchased only on the creditworthiness and reputation of the issuing party. So when you have no collateral, no backing, so definitely if you are purchasing any debentures, so you must be knowing the creditworthiness and reputation of the issuing party, because debentures are normally unsecured. If there is any default in debenture, then there is no backing of assets. The interest rate of bonds is generally lower than debentures. So debentures are comparatively riskier than bonds. So higher the risk, higher the interest rate. Lower the risk, lower the interest rate. So bonds have interest rate normally lower than debentures. Bonds are less risky when compared to debentures as they are secured. So I have already told you, bonds are less risky and debentures are high risky, because bonds are secured and debentures may be unsecured. One can have bonds of a corporation, government agencies, or it can be of any financial institutions. So bonds are generally issued by government agencies, Government of India bonds, Treasury bonds, any corporation, Reliance bond, SBI bond, or any of the financial institutions. But debentures can be issued only by private companies. So normally we have not heard government issuing debenture. Government will issue bonds, not debenture. Fine, sir. Like Edelweiss 400 crore NCD. NCD means non-convertible debenture issued to offer yield of 9.7%. So you can see Edelweiss is a private company and they are issuing 400 crore NCD, non-convertible debenture. Apple, a big corporation, plans to issue 6.5 billion of bonds in 4 parts. So bonds can be issued by private companies, government agencies, but debentures are only issued by private companies. It is a general sense, there is no regulation on this, and definitely each and every case will have to be reviewed separately also. Both debentures and bonds are an external source of debt financing. The companies or government issue either of the instrument to finance their long-term needs of financing. So they are required for long-term purposes. They are required not for paying salary or paying rent or paying electricity. They are required for long-term purposes, making roads, making bridges, development of a factory, plant, equipments. They are required for long-term purposes. So friends, now you must be knowing the difference between bonds and debentures, and definitely such type of questions are asked in interview, and you will be well prepared for interview if you be updated with all these facts of finance. My only purpose is to teach you practically so that you can enter into finance career. Fine, sir.